Hey there, fellow Frugal friends. Welcome back to Frugal Solutions Hub, your go-to place for smart, simple, and sustainable living tips. If you want a garden that's productive and low maintenance, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the old world wisdom of the Amish, a community known for their incredible self-reliance and productive gardens. Stick around because I'm sharing 10 genius Amish gardening hacks that will help you grow more food with less work. Let's get started. The Amish don't just scratch the surface, they go deep. Their gardens are built on well-prepared soil that's double dug in the beginning. This means loosening soil 12 to 18 inches down so roots can grow strong and water can soak in better. Yes, it takes work up front, but the payoff is less weeding, better yields, and fewer problems later. Do it once and you'll thank yourself all season long. Amish gardeners often use raised beds, but not the pricey store-bought kind. They build theirs from reclaimed wood, stones, or even natural logs. Raised beds warm up faster in spring, drain better, and make gardening easier on your back. And they do it without spending a dime. Forget rows with big gaps. The Amish maximize every inch. They practice intensive planting, where crops are spaced just close enough to shade out weeds and conserve moisture. That means less weeding and watering for you. Try it with greens, carrots, or even radishes. One of their best-kept secrets? Cover crops. Amish gardeners plant clover, rye, or buckwheat during the off-season. These green blankets feed the soil, prevent erosion, and keep weeds from taking over. Then in spring, they're turned under to become natural compost. Amish gardens are full of intentional pairings: beans with corn, tomatoes with basil, cucumbers near dill. These combos help repel pests, attract pollinators, and boost yields, all without chemicals. It's nature doing the hard work for you. They don't rely on store-bought pesticides. Instead, they use homemade sprays from garlic, cayenne, or vinegar. And here's a fun one: chickens. Let them roam between rows before planting to gobble up bugs and weed seeds. Believe it or not, many Amish still plant by lunar phases. Science aside, timing planting with moon cycles can help sync your crops with natural moisture rhythms. Root crops during the waning moon, leafy greens during the waxing. It's an age-old trick that's worked for centuries. Modern tools are great, but Amish gardens thrive with simple hand tools. Used efficiently, a sharp hoe used daily can keep weeds from ever taking root. A broad fork aerates soil without disturbing beneficial microbes. These tools are quiet, effective, and last for decades. Why keep buying seeds every year? The Amish save seeds from their healthiest plants. This means stronger, more adapted crops year after year for free. Just remember to label, dry thoroughly, and store in a cool, dry place. Gardening is more than food, it's a way of life. Amish families garden together. It's not just efficient, it builds skills and memories. If you've got kids or grandkids, get them involved. Assign small tasks, let them plant their own rows and share the joy. So there you have it, 10 time-tested Amish gardening hacks that can help you grow more food with less effort and zero waste. If you're serious about frugal, abundant living, these are golden. Which of these hacks are you going to try this year? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you found value here, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more frugal solutions. Got a favorite old school garden trick? Share it. This community is all about learning from each other. Until next time, stay frugal and keep growing.